Hey, getaway, Alex here. Today in this short video I'll show you my room tour in Buenos Aires, in the area with the name San Telmo. The building located on the corner between Avenida Independencia and the street of Bolivar. This is my Airbnb. That's the corner of street or Avenida Independencia, Independence Street, and this is Bolivar. In front of Valhalla. The bar that I heard is very popular, but I've never been there. San Telmo market just right there. Let me show you how the actual Airbnb look like. The balcony that I have right now here, the surroundings, the amenities, gym, etc. So you know what to expect, what kind of service you will see if you decided to go to Buenos Aires and live in this area, at least, or in this particular building. By the way, here I found a lot of people who's actually renting out Airbnb, and a lot of expats or the nomads. I heard many times English in this particular building, and of course Spanish, Portuguese. Meet some people from Argentina and Brasileiros, which I've met in the gym. And now I'm going to show you my San Telmo Airbnb room tour. Check it out. I'm going to start with showing you the corridor first. Then that's the entrance. Here you have the electronic passcode. Then there's some of my gym stuff and some of my shoes. And if I close the door, I'm going to be having access to a little wardrobe. Not super big, but big enough. Here we have my kitchen with all necessary stuff. Here you go. I'm more than sure you're wondering what this vegetarian has in his fridge. Well, there's my soup, some stuff, non-alcoholic beer, my almond milk, my miel, how to call it, honey, hummus, some veggies. There you go, my avocados waiting. Yeah, let me show you. I have here some grains and stuff. Here's more of different stuff. I'm not gonna be showing you everything, but anyway, it has everything you need. Now this is more interesting, the living area. There you go. Also, I do have some storage right there. The TV. Now we are entering bathroom, nothing special. There you go, a little bit of me. See how this YouTubers, not very experienced YouTubers, works. Look at this wires and the equipment right there. Yeah, by the way, help not very experienced YouTuber to raise the money for the camera, the proper camera. Thank you in advance. All right, and this is the king size bed. By the way, very comfy. One of the advantages of this Airbnb is this terrace, or the balcony, whatever you want to call it. No, it's more of a terrace, but look, you can have like a, I don't know, the bar here, the party. It's really huge. Actually today finally sunny, so I could have go and sit, enjoy my morning coffee, but it didn't happen, to be honest, yet. So yeah, the surrounding looks like this. What's going on there? All right. All right, there you have it. My room tour here in beautiful Buenos Aires. Now we're gonna be moving towards the gym. So everything starts with entrance, and this is the gym. Again, pretty basic. There is a toilet here, or the restroom, the shower. Pretty basic, but has everything you need. Of course, if you're not professional. We also got the pool, but since I was there in this building, in this complex, in the middle of winter, obviously I didn't use the pool. But I assume in summer it's a lovely place to be. So once I got there on the 10th floor, that's where the pool located during the night, as you see. So the footage is not the best, but still can give you an idea how this place looks like, and also the surrounding. The view from there is nice. Also, I forgot to mention that in this building, which by the way called Alto Grande Independencia, there is a laundry service, and for $1 you can do your laundry, 1,000 peso, and for another 1,000 peso you can do your you can use a dryer. So the overall experience, a laundry experience, is gonna cost you 2,000 pesos. So my overall experience, because my windows are actually facing the yard, the inner yard, I guess that's how you say it, I cannot hear a lot of traffic here. I can hear that it's happening just somewhere there, but pretty cozy. There's some other building in front of us, so it's kind of block all that noise. The San Telmo is super busy area, especially during the weekend, but I like it. Again, it's busy there outside, but you don't see it here, because here everything is super chilled. By the way, for more information of what to do here in San Telmo, or in general during the weekend in Buenos Aires, you can check out the previous video on my channel. Kindly appreciate it. Also, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos from all over the world. That really means a lot to me, and I'd really like to be useful and share all the knowledge that I've gained throughout the years working on cruise ships and traveling all around the world. Once again, thank you in advance. And also, I appreciate if you could kindly write down the word subscribed under this video. Thank you once again. Now, outside of my door, I could hear some noises here and there, because there's like a corridor, and obviously, you know, a lot of people renting out Airbnb. I could see a lot of young people, so from time to time there's some little parties going on, but I wouldn't say that they were super crazy. Or, you know, sometimes you can hear somebody's having some fun, let's put it this way, but nothing super crazy like you could have expected being in one of the busiest area, because San Telmo is pretty busy area. But I like this area in general because it's not far away from Puerto Madero, which is just right there. Very fancy area with a lot of tourists, with a lot of things going on. And at the same time, it's basically the center. From here to get to Palermo, to get to those meetings with, let's say, expats or language exchange, that happening a lot here in Buenos Aires. Most of them happening in Palermo, not all the time. There are some in San Telmo, actually, or somewhere in center, but most of them in Palermo. So for me to get there, if it's a bus metro, I don't know, 25 to 40 minutes, with a taxi 15-20 minutes. Taxi, I mean Uber, and Uber costs around from here to there $3-4, so $5 sometimes. And if I decided to use the public transportation, then I think it's like one-time pass. You know, you just got this card, and then it just each and every time you just tap it, and then one trip gonna cost under $1. Money wise, talking about money, I spent $600, to be more specific, 590 something 7 or something like that. Staying for a month here. Also for additional $10 once I got all my linen, I changed my towels and stuff during this period of time. So I think it was a pretty good deal, again, considering the amenities, the location, and pretty good condition of the Airbnb. Not the best one of this particular one, but pretty decent. In one of the next videos, I will share my monthly expenses living here 1 month in Buenos Aires. I hope it gives you some ideas before your travel to Buenos Aires. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support me with your like, comment, and subscription.